welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nicola. Yes, so how are you doing? How are you? You know, this Friday it was Valentine's Day and everybody was in love and everything. I don't celebrate Valentine's Day personally, but nothing wrong with a day, you know, used to show love and all of that. So today's video, as you can see, half of my hair seems done, half is undone. Well, neither of it is done, right? These are just here to get some curls going. You know, the little secret, don't tell anybody. Yeah, and I'm only going to be doing up here, this part, the front of my hair, and then I'm going to loosen the back. So this hairstyle, I've never tried it before, but I'm trying new stuff, you know, with you guys, and you know, so that you can go and try it when you're through watching this video, or even while you're watching this video and you don't have anything to do and you need a new inspiration. Here it is. So I won't be doing much talking today, because I mean, we ain't having a TED talk today. Not this video, next video. Next video maybe. So yeah, if I say so one more time, my god, we are going to just jump into the video. So just enjoy the music. There I go again. Enjoy the little jingling tune that's underlying this video, and let's have fun. Stay tuned. As usual, guys, I'm looking over here for my mirror, but I've got a handheld mirror, so sometimes I'll have this little fandangle here in the video. And as you can see, my hair is very curly right now because I actually did what's done at the back to the front now, but I took them down because I'm going to be doing some cornrows and, you know, some little stuff, so I had to take them down. But as you can see, the curls are like living, and these were loosened a day ago, so they're actually becoming undone now, but some of them are really like still living the life. Like, look at that. Yeah. Yeah, it's like a chicken. I'll put a chicken right now, right? Okay. All right, so let's go. I have my little tail comb. I'll be using this end of the comb to get me some precise parts. Some of it is actually already parted, which will make it easier for me, but I still need this precise end right here. Alright guys, just know that looked too much like a unicorn's horn, so what I'm going to do is take a scrunchie instead. Take a tiny scrunchie, or you could use rubber bands, and I'm going to catch it up, and then I'll twist the end. I like that better. It's still a bit like pointy, but I like it much better. It's a bit thicker, you know, which makes it not look so much like a horn. Okay guys, here I am with the finished look. See, it looks so good. Like, I was thinking about taking these down, but I'm just going to leave them as is. There we go. Add a what is this? I added this right here. Accessorize, yeah. Did my edges somewhat, and I took down the twists that were at the back. You see those curls, girl? Oh my god, yes, yes. And if need be, I could add some more Eco Styler gel if I wanted to, but I don't think anything is wrong with it right now, is there? No, I think it's perfectly fine. Yeah, so that's it. How do you think I did? Would you try this style? Let me know down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's just revel in all this. This is just so good. I love this. Let me take these down, see what it would look like. Ooh, and they just sprung right back up. Curly, yes. Yes, yes. Okay. But would I leave them down? Probably. Okay, they look just fine. There's makeup on my earrings. Oh my god. Yeah, I would probably leave them down. They look really nice. I am so proud of myself. How do you think I did, guys? Like, rate me down from 1 to 10 down in the comments below. Thank you for watching this. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you next time in my next video. Let me know what else you think I should try down below. Yeah, and let me know if you tried this style. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Until then, walk good, spread good vibes, live, love, laugh. Mwah. I've really been living for mustard these days. Yeah, wow. I fluffed it up, guys. See, so now it looks a bit more worn in, and it looks much better this way. Yes, I'm living for this hair.